Hello, hello, how are you? Well, very excited. We constantly talk about film festivals in other countries, and it's great that we have something of this scale and with such wonderful films playing in our city. So I think it's absolutely brilliant, and I'm really, really happy to be here. जी 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 इसके बारे में अभी कुछ नहीं कहना चाहूँगा मैं कुछ नहीं कहना चाहूँगा मामी के बारे में कुछ सवाल हैं तो पूछ लीजिए आप हाँ जी पूछिए हाँ तो इसलिए मैंने कहा कि उसके बारे में नहीं बात करना चाहता उसके अलावा अगर कोई सवाल है तो बताइए मुझे आपने सवाल ही ऐसा पूछा कि पलट ना पड़ा Well, I've got 3 films up for release. One is called Veeram, which is based on Macbeth. It's a trilingual Hindi, English, Malayalam. There's another film which is up for release called Dear Zindagi. And finally, I'm doing another film with Tigmanshu Dhulia, which is called Raag Desh. And that should be up for release next year. So lots of work. जी. No, not necessarily. I mean, brands choose endorsers for different reasons, and you have somebody who's there for 1 year, and then you have somebody else who's there for another year. So I don't think it really makes a difference. Well, I don't think you get removed. I mean, you're contractually bound for a couple of years, and once the contract's over and done with, then you move on, and the brand moves on as well. So I don't think that's something that you should take very personally. Well, that's something you'll have to ask Karan. That's something I don't have an answer for. Right. Well, honestly, I wouldn't like to comment on this simply because anything that anybody says gets sensationalized and taken out of context. So I think it's best to avoid saying anything about this at this point of time. And I think enough has been said anyway. Right. No, I'm not concerned. I'm sure the producers will, do what needs to be done. Whatever is best for the film, I'm sure they will do. So I'm not concerned at all. Right, thank you.